Welcome to Lesson 1. Every software developer starts exactly the same way. Whether they work at Google, Microsoft, Amazon, or a small startup, their very first program is almost always the same one. Today you are going to write it yourself. Let's get started. So what is Python? Python is a programming language. Think of it like English. People use English to communicate with each other. Computers do not understand English, they understand programming languages. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. People use it to build websites, automate repetitive work, analyze data, and build AI. It is everywhere, and it is a great first language. Now let's install Python. Open your browser and go to python.org. Download the latest version for your operating system. Run the installer. Before you click install, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This is really important. If you skip it, your computer will not know where Python is. Once it finishes, open a terminal. On Windows, search for Command Prompt or PowerShell. On Mac, open Terminal. Type Python -- version and press Enter. If you see a version number, Python is installed correctly. Now let's set up your code editor. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download Visual Studio Code. Once it is installed, open it and go to the Extensions panel on the left. Search for Python and install the official extension from Microsoft. This gives you features like syntax highlighting and error checking. It makes writing Python much easier. Now let's create a place for your code. Create a new folder somewhere on your computer and name it Python course. Open that folder in VS Code using File, Open Folder. Inside that folder, create a new file and name it lesson1.py. The .py extension tells your computer this is a Python file. Now type your very first line of code. Print, open parenthesis, open quote, hello, world, close quote, close parenthesis. Let's run it. Click the play button in the top right corner of VS Code, or right-click and choose Run Python File in Terminal. Look at the bottom of the screen. You should see the words Hello, World printed in the terminal. Congratulations! You just wrote and ran your very first Python program. Let's break down what happened. Print is a built-in function. A function is just a command that tells Python to do something. In this case, print tells Python to display text on the screen. The parentheses tell Python what to print. And the text inside the quotes, hello, world. That is called a string. A string is just a piece of text. Now let's do a little more. Replace your code with 3 print statements. Print hello. Print my name is John Doe. Print I'm learning Python. Run the program again. You should see all 3 lines printed, one after the other. Each print statement outputs 1 line. Now here is your challenge. Pause the video. Replace John Doe with your own name. And add 1 more line that prints your favorite hobby. Something like, print my hobby is playing guitar. Run the program and make sure all 4 lines show up. Let's do a quick recap of what you learned today.